Tracking ERP Hardening Progress in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how to work a legacy system migration phase by phase, check off tasks, and flag blockers so nothing gets left half done. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Settings, ERP Hardening from your dashboard. If you're migrating off a legacy system, this page tracks that process phase by phase so nothing gets left half done. The overview shows each area: migration control, inventory truth, workflow cutover, with its status and open gaps. Click into a phase to see its specific checklist of tasks. Check off each task as your team completes it. Some tasks require you to confirm a specific piece of data was verified, like matching inventory counts between the old and new system. If a task is blocked, mark it blocked and add a note explaining why, so anyone reviewing this later understands the holdup instead of assuming it was missed. Once every task in a phase is checked, the phase marks itself complete and the next becomes available. Use this page as your single source of truth during migration and review it in your team meetings until every phase reads complete.